Hi families, I hope everyone had a really great weekend. Just wanted to go over what we're going to be doing in school this week. For art this week, it's going to ask you to make a shape mobile using salt dough that you'll make on your own, and then make a pine cone critter. So get a pine cone and make a little character out of it. I do have on the front of Bitmoji Classroom an alternate art assignment if you want, where you can make apple cinnamon ornaments to hang on your tree or to make a mobile with, or whatever you want to do. So make sure you check that out. You can do it instead of the art assignment for this week. There's a video of Piper and I making them together. And then on the last page of Bitmoji Classroom, there is a link for the directions. In language arts this week, it is C week. We're going to be learning all about the letter C. Our new words are up, to, and three. To like T-O, not the number. Our book is My Cat is Three, and we're going to be talking about favorite parts in the story. For math, there's a lot of math stuff coming at you this week. You're going to be working with the number 10. We're going to be counting to 10. We're going to be adding up to the number 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. We're also going to be adding to 10. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. There is a worksheet in there with little ice cream cones that your children can cut out the ice cream cones and use those as manipulatives to help them with their counting and with their adding. And then we're going to be doing number lines too. In science, we're just doing an overall wrap up of fall. There's a journal, and your child can draw or find pictures and just talk about all the things they've learned about fall. And social studies is all about making maps this week. Your kiddo is going to make a map of their room. There's a worksheet in there where they get to kind of cut out pieces and put it on. And then it's going to ask you to make a diorama or a 3D representation of their room. So you can use cardboard, you can use a shoebox, anything like that to make your bedroom. And then they're going to have to do a floor plan. So just like kind of a map of one of the rooms in your house. And then it's also going to talk about map keys. So that's kind of all of that. In Bitmoji this week, because it is Hanukkah this week, if you go into your folder that I sent home, things that you will need. And these are extra things. Don't feel like you have to do them, but I know some of our kiddos get done with all their schoolwork really quickly. So these are just extra fun things that you can do. So I do have the Dreidel game. This paper here, you can cut this out and make it into a dreidel to spin, and then this is kind of the cheat sheet for how to play dreidel. It has the different letters on it, what they all mean, and what you do. So if you get hay, you get to take half of the pot. If you get gimel, you get to take everything in the pot. I also in Bitmoji Classroom have a little video showing how to play dreidel. And then the other thing is the little Latke man. So that is him. Okay, this is what he looks like when he's all done. On the inside are the pieces, color, cut and paste. And then on the back of this one, there are directions it's the recipe for how to make latkes, if you're interested in trying that. So those are the things that we're doing this week. I hope everyone has a great week. We have kid writing, a whole group on Monday, and then small groups the rest of the week. Alrighty, I will see you all Monday morning. Have a great rest of your weekend. Bye-bye.